Alright guys, got the Sportsman 500 back in the garage. Today we're gonna put new tires on the front. I'm gonna bring these to Discount Tire, have them mount them. I think they charge about 15 bucks. I got these on Amazon. They look pretty decent. And then I got a new air filter. Gonna put that in, and then we're gonna change the transmission oil. Alright, let's get started. Alright, we'll start off with the air filter. So this is a pre-cleaner sleeve, made in USA. Got this on Amazon. I'll put the link in the description. So it's part number 5811633. I think this was about 15 bucks. The air filter, made in People's Republic of China. And 708 0595, and that's what that looks like. In the previous video you saw this air box was loaded up with corn, and Mr. Mousy Mouse was in here chewing away. Alright, that looks something like that. Alright, let's move on to the transmission oil. Okay, so there's the fill plug right there. This is just right behind the clutch cover. On the right side of the four-wheeler, there's going to be the drain plug right here, so we'll go ahead and get that out. Here's the oil. This is Polaris transmission fluid. The manual calls for 1 quart, so got this on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description. I think it was around 20 bucks. And yeah, I'm sure there is some other stuff you could use to save a few bucks, but I don't like experimenting when it comes to transmission oil. Check this out. I was digging through my stash to try to find a better way of getting this oil in there, and I found I got this flex spout. So I will look on Amazon and see if I can find a link, and I'll put that in the description, but that looks like it'll work really well to get that in there. All right, I couldn't quite get this full quart in there. I'm gonna take it for a little spin and come back and check it. All right, I drove it around for a few minutes. Let's double check this level here. Okay, so nothing's coming out, so let's add a little bit more. Okay. So there's just a little bit left in this bottle, probably an ounce or two. So I think we're good. I'll go ahead and snug this fill plug up. And Discount Tire got the tires mounted for me. Turned out pretty nice. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. See you on the next one.